Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Resolve open ear earphones. They have inline control and surroundings awareness. These are by Avantree. And let's take a quick look at some of the features. As you can see, they are open ear design. They do have that inline control built into them, and they are lightweight form. They come with a 12-month warranty, but you can extend that to 24 months by registry. So let's open the box and take a look at what is inside. Now you do have your registration information. You also have the manuals that you need so that you will know how to use these properly. So that's all included. And here are the earphones. And very simple design, but look really nice, beautiful, elegant looking design, and just really cool the way they work. So let's get them out of the plastic so we can take a closer look at them. So here you go. Got very clear markings for right and left, so you'll know exactly where these are. And this goes over your ear and sits against your ear. It sends the sound directly to your ear without being in your ear. So it's going to be like around your ear and right in front of your ear, so that you hear the sound, but people around you don't hear the sound. But yet it doesn't block your ear. It's not going inside your ear the way traditional earbuds do. So that allows you to still hear what's going on around you. And these are very soft, so this is going to be very comfortable. It's not a rigid, it's a very soft material, so it's going to be very comfortable having these around your ear. These are wired, so you don't have to worry about connecting like you do with Bluetooth, where you have to pair. These, you just plug them in and they just work, which is awesome. You see they do have this nice clip, and you can move this to where you need to move it to on the cord and then clip that. So this allows you to clip these to your collar or anywhere on your clothing so that they'll stay in place if you're running or something, which is awesome. And then you have this inline control right here, and you can see that you've got your buttons for volume up, volume down. It could also be used depending on the device you're using it with. You might also be able to use those for next to previous, and then your main button, which can be used to like take a call. And you can see it's your standard auxiliary. So if your phone has an auxiliary port, then you just plug it directly into there. If you have a phone such as modern iPhones that just have the lightning port or USB-C port, then you can just use the adapter, USB-C to auxiliary or lightning to auxiliary adapter, plug it in there, and you're good to go. No pairing required. Just plug it in and they just work. Again, these are the Avantree Resolve open ear earphones, and really excellent product, and that's going to be it for the unboxing.